How's it going, everybody? Welcome to sunny in Southwest Florida. My name is Adam Devine, and we're here at my business, Devine Concepts Automotive Design. We are a brick and mortar small retailer in Naples, Florida. We've had our establishment here for just over 5 years. We have one location, and we have 4 employees, including myself. Our business philosophy is to provide our clients with a world-class experience from end to end, meaning from the second they walk through our front door to having an art of the demo out on one of our displays, to seeing behind the scenes on some of our installations, to giving them a thorough walkthrough on how to utilize their new equipment at the end, and then a follow-up weeks or maybe a month later to see how they're enjoying their new equipment, or if they have any questions, or if there's anything else that they'd like to pursue. Our mission statement actually comes from Hunter S. Thompson, which he said, anything worth doing is worth doing right. And it's something that for years I've wholeheartedly believed and try and strive to do day in, day out. Pretty much my daily routine, everything that I try and accomplish, I try and utilize that mission statement and everything I put forth. I'd have to say one of the biggest challenges that we've overcome in the past year is getting up to speed and adequate staffing. Our traffic and demand has been great, but as most of you know, it is a unique individual to work in the mobile electronics field. You have to have somebody who's passionate. You have to have somebody who's willing to get down and dirty, that is passionate about their education and the client experience. So finding those correct people is not an easy task, but I think I've managed to do so. We now have Isaac, which is right behind me here. He's our newest sales pro, as well as dual coded as a technician. We have Wesley, who is my lead technician in the back, and just started recently in the past about a month or so, is Dano, and he is the apprentice to Wesley at the moment. All of my guys have gone through the MACP program and got their apprentice and their MPS, and are actively working on finishing up their skilled, and just thirsty for knowledge, all 3 of them, and I couldn't be prouder and more blessed to have them on my team. If I had to give an example of what makes our business unique, is the way that we approach sales is usually completely different than most people. We don't have a really specific brand that we push more than the other, or we don't base all of our sales off of margin or delivery times or anything of that nature. We really try to deep dive onto what the expectations are from the client, what their listening habits are, what's the quality of their hearing, what's the environment and atmosphere all this equipment's going into, so that way they end up with the best possible experience going down the road. So for me, it's not about the margin, the money, the brand. It's about them having a smile on their face while they're driving down the road. And I think when we approach our sales that way, that's what makes us unique, because we tailor each and every system to the individual as well as the environment that it's going into. Our sales performance over the past 3 years has been exceptional. We've actually doubled in annual gross revenue year over year. Our net margins have changed slightly, but we've done a lot in remodeling and in reinvesting back into the company, which large format 3D printers coming on the way. New desks, outfitting side 10. We've done new epoxy floors throughout the whole facility. We do new airlines, new electrical, TVs, artwork. We have tons of stuff in the pipeline, and Devine Concepts Automotive Design is changing every day. So we've got a lot of cool stuff that we'll show you during the video walkthrough. But know that this is just the tip of the iceberg, and we'll probably never be done with a remodel. We'll always have something new or fresh that will always keep changing. Why should our location be part of the top 50 retailers? Over the past 26 years of me being in this industry, I pour my blood, sweat, and tears into this industry, whether it's from an educational standpoint or just making sure that every client that walks through our door gets that experience and gets them excited about it that way, that they it's a tough double-edged sword, and I know a lot of you have seen it and felt it over the years, where a lot of clients have gone to some maybe not so reputable retailers and not had a great experience. And then it makes them question whether or not they want to do another vehicle in the future. And I've seen that a lot of clients come through my door that way. So I do my best to try and change that mentality and let them know that there are educated technicians and sales staff out there that take this profession seriously and make sure that they are going to get exactly what they are looking for. And I think that's what makes us a little bit different, a little bit unique, that we really, really deep dive on education and focus on the client experience and making sure that the quality of the installation, education, and realistically just the whole end-to-end solution meets and exceeds every expectation that they have. And that's why I feel that we should be qualified to be part of the top 50 retailers. All right, now to do a quick walkthrough of the shop. So walking through our main door into Suite 9 is our main showroom. We have a client waiting area off to the side with a couple chairs, snacks and beverages. We have a audio display center. We have videos going up in the top feed there from Atmosphere TV. We are in the middle of a remodel, so we are building a brand new desk and consultation area. Suite 10 is our newest addition, so we're going to go over to our new side. All brand new epoxied floors, new art on the windows. We removed all the lights and ballasts, installed all new LED lighting. Partnered with a local photographer in the Paradise Region Group Porsche Group that we're in, with Kelly, our demo car, which is our 981 Cayman. And he provided us with all this beautiful art of local cars for our gallery here, for our photo area. A lot of this is still under construction and remodel. Over here is our employee center and area. Got microwave, toaster oven, mini fridge, and restroom over on this side. We have a matching one over on the other side. Fully remodeled. We got like I said, our 981 Cayman as our demo vehicle. We have a 3D printing area over on this side, which is going to actually get replaced by a large format 3D printer. It's going to take this full area right here. We have a client staging area up here at the top. We have a television to keep an eye on the showroom on what's going on. Built-in tool storage and center for the technicians. Inventory. And we just built a little micro paint booth. And just to make sure that nobody goes in, if somebody's in there actively spraying, we put new LED lights in here as well. And it'll show that somebody's in use in here. We'll do a downdraft table. We've already got some Swiss tracks. And we've got some new cabinetry going in, fireproof cabinetry for all of our chemicals. And over to our original side, side 9, which will have our upholstery station with our Sailrite 111. Built-in tool storage. Got a current Aston Martin in the bay. CNC in the back, laser, our 3D scanner and dual computer, welding station, templates, saw stop, routers and templates, restroom, and a lot of this paint will go over to the paint booth once we finish up over there. And pneumatic press. And the rest of our wood shop. We have 3 different router lifts, wood storage on the side for smaller pieces, and a vertical cabinet for large 4x8 stock. And back out to the showroom. Well, that's it from us here at Devine Concepts Automotive Design. I'm Adam Devine. I want to say a big thank you to Chris Cook, MEA, and all the members of our toll industry that make these awards happen every year and push us all to be better. Look forward to seeing you guys all in Vegas. See you soon.